Good morning, Teacher Robert. Good morning, classmates. Today, our report will be all about influences of the moon. It is presented by Jeron, Thea, and Kurt. Influences about the moon. The moon is the Earth's nearest neighbor in space. It brightens the night sky by reflecting sunlight to Earth. In ancient times, people learned to measure time by following the moon's regular period. It was based on the approximation of a complete lunar calendar. Now I will be passing the report to Kurt Godito.
Eclipses. It occurs when an object passes into the shadow of another object. This can happen when Earth, the Moon, and Sun form a straight line in space. Solar eclipse. It happens when the Moon covers the disk of the Sun. Lunar eclipse. It occurs when the Earth, Moon, and Sun is perfectly aligned. Tides. Periodic rising and falling of the sea level. I will now be passing the report to Thea.
Two types of tides. Neap tide occurs when the sun, moon, and earth form a right angle. Spring tide occurs during new moon and full moon when the sun, earth, and the moon are in a straight line. Neil Armstrong. He is the first guy on the moon. He is born in 1930. He is the commander of the Apollo 11. On July 20, 1969, he was the first human on the moon. That's all. Thank you.